How to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or reduce the presence of Meta AI on Facebook using your iPhone or Android device. So in this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you can head over and open your Facebook application. And once you do so, you can simply click on this search icon over here. And once you do so here, you can see that there is Meta AI. So whatever you search on Facebook, it would be through Meta AI. So you're going to click on Meta AI and it will bring you the chat of Meta AI. Now, if you wish to turn off, so you're going to click on this name of Meta AI. And here you have to click on mute. So once you click on mute, it would say mute this chat and it will give you a range until how much time you wish to mute this chat. So you're going to click on until I change it. And now you can see that Meta AI has been muted and it will not really bother you whenever you're trying to search something. So that was how you can turn off Meta AI on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.